Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install purchase and card protection alerts using the Citi app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Citi app on your device. Log in using your credentials. On the home screen, locate the menu icon. Tap on the menu icon to reveal the options. Select Account Services from the menu. In the Account Services section, look for Alerts. Tap on Alerts to enter the Alerts settings. You will see options for different types of alerts. Select Purchase Alerts to set up alerts for your transactions. Choose the specific alerts you wish to enable. You can customize the alerts based on transaction thresholds or categories. Once you've made your selections, tap Save to apply the changes. Next, return to the Alerts menu. Find and select Card Protection Alerts. Here, you can enable alerts for unusual activity on your card. Select your desired preferences for card protection notifications. Make sure to review the options thoroughly. When satisfied, tap Save to activate the card protection alerts. You will receive confirmations for both purchase and card protection alerts via the app. Check your notification settings to ensure alerts are enabled on your device. Your alerts are now set up and ready to help you manage your spending and protect your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.